the mess you try and bring joy.
What for fridge?
With the cup. The last
Make water remain for fridge.
So it's not rich like this, Abi. I go suffer, me Messi go suffer cook for this house. Instead of una to come and want dish food now. Una dey jump am for board. That's why they teach una for una village.
Why you do like this? Why you look at that person? No. It's to me say you want dish am. Now, you don't use your hand to chop am. You no even suffer say you dey dish. You no fit thank us.
we are eating devil manners.
Okay. Devil manners, Abi. No wahala. Una chop. If this one wey dey buy a good girl, una get everything in chop. I don't dey vex so. Una chop. Now we go know who go laugh for this house. When I go call oga, no, una chop. Finish am o, my see. Chop. This one wey dey here. Chop and meat na meat at the boy. Una chop everything. We go see who will come for this house.
Why you don't put too much on it? Why you don't put too much? I don't know whether oil.
Listen, abeg, next time if you are cooking, using it.
Too much oil no good.
Too much oil no good.
They cause obele.
No, I dey give somebody angry liver so.
Oil dey too much.
Nah, as I no get anything to drive, make I.
Pastor, where's my phone?
This mad woman, who are you shouting for? When have you started shouting like a mad dog? Eh? When have I started holding your phone in this house? Is it my duty? Oh, it's like you forgetting so easy that I'm the chief executive driver of this compound and you're asking me your phone. You don't see get my way you go ask of anything security matters in this house.
No.
Pastor, I beg. I tell God and they beg you. Where is my phone? Where I keep my phone?
You shift. This is where they talk. They speak for my eyes. You know, if I shift like this, they talk. If you today here talk this thing, Pascal no go hear am.
I call your name. Your name is Pascal. I call your name.
I don't like this thing, no.
You get what this guy they talk. I don't understand, though. How am I? Why will I be in the best position to know where your phone is? I don't see your phone to thief now. Cook kitchen.
Wait, Pascal, wait.
Am I the one holding your phone in this house?
Pascal, wait. Two of us dey here.
Yes.
Just come say, Pascal, where my phone? Maybe she fit know why she dey ask you. Why you be saying that you should ask?
Ask this idiot that question.
Pascal, they ask you because only me and you they enter that house. No only me they access to that house.
Wait. No only you and
I heard only me they enter inside.
Pascal, give am the phone.
He mad. Eh? Why be say me give am the phone? I collect phone. I collect phone. By right, anything security issues, are you not the one that they're supposed to question? If you are looking for driving license or you are asking for the road that's good and better, I'm the one that you're supposed to ask. How I go collect this person phone? What I won't look inside? Now to see onions, ogri, akao, dawa, nzu, oha. Person where they cook, what I go see inside her phone? I don't see your phone to thief now for this one phone.
Not true.
If now you now I thief your phone, now I'm robbers are going to see inside your phone. Gone. Inshinaja and all this is. You what I go see inside your phone?
Not true. You know what you go do?
Pascal, no, play with me. You don't know who I be. You know if I show you for this,
no.
You go
No, talk like that. Wait,
Pascal.
no, you never reach like that. You know what you go do? Here na my department. You don't tell them. Now maybe security. I go investigate this matter. Go inside. Go and continue your.
No, let me food that they cook inside house.
If not that food, hold on there.
Okay. We no fit chop.
Shall I don't tell you?
No, you don't see my belly.
See, I can tell you. If you finish that your food, if you want dish food from today henceforth, bring 2 tablets of flagyl, then bring GV, then bring tetracycline, then bring cotton wool, then bring gogo ishe. Put inside it and tissue. Marigeja toilet mo oricha. No be your food where they carry my intestine go where liver dey. You go cook jollof rice. This thing go dey like say na Nigerian flag. You go see green white green. Na be like say na porridge. Let be like lift on share.
Mona come has come chop. Na be the. No go chop. No be food. And they cook fried rice inside. Mona come chop.
Belle don't dey worry me. I mean before I come here now. You know as I dey. Na this nonsense wey this girl dey.
Shut up. You na like this na dey when you come.
Na lie you.
You don't even ask.
Yeah, me I know.
Wetin dey chop at the chop. You know say I fresh. you know that I say you be.
You confused. You fresh like this.
Na my clothes.
You fresh like this. Na sickness. Na you bring your belly out. I know as your belly there before. If no be that pump where your mama tell me say you do you. No be breeze na for your belly.
Forget joke. I met this girl no dey cook for us because the doctor tell
me. Now they big your belly like this now. The thing no dey good for your body.
The doctor tell me say if I chop this girl food reach December,
you go die.
I fit die.
You go know say you fit die. You go die.
And imagine my poster. My poster go be after a brief eating.
After a brief eating. And this your belly say na you go play. Na you go play better. Na you go play better position for the post.
You are bringing another leg into this matter. Wetin be your time? No. I want to know the time wey be say up till now my breakfast never ready. What o? I dey talk to you dey do. I mean dey.
Victor, you dey mad, Victor? Eh? Why dey shout for me dey mad?
Na me dey talk to?
Yes. Oh.
Wait. I dey tell you say I dey shout on top say my food never ready. Instead of you to beg me say Oga Victor no vex. Oga Victor beg see okay make I wait 1 or 2 minutes say my food ready. Instead of you to beg me come apologize join. You come dey talk nonsense. They wan make me vex again. You dey craze? You don wan finish here? No. You wan make I fire you?
Victor, see, you and Pascal never say anything for this house. Yes! Una never say anything for this house. Oh! When I say make I give una food, more na chop put inside una belle. Where my phone? In fact, where are they even say they talk to you? Say, see my phone. I don't know my phone. They do have Pascal and don't differ. So now, if you want chop put inside this your belly, give me more. Usually bring my phone. Make a coffee come Oga. See that Oga. Food no dey house so make me for send me. How fit call am now? Una don keep my food and Pascal. So go remember like this. Now this go dey dey.
Oh. If they give me condition, if they tell me what to do on top, the CEO of this building, the chief security agency of this street, anything will be security for this entire zone, he don down my notice. I mean they charge. Now you come they tell me what to do. I will deal with you.
Wait, finally, my papa for you. The Buhari of the Nigeria.
My body jam. You dey try me. I will deal with you later.
Kata where you there. Go shop now. Any pikin wey say mama no go sleep, me too no go sleep. Na get my teeth, my food, say make I call the cook for this. I never see him. You can find himself.
What? I'm tired of this nonsense. So
now you dey even find self.
Imagine this idiot, this stupid girl. They challenge me.
They challenge you how?
If they talk say we no go chop food for this place until we find her phone. She dey give me condition.
Now wetin make me define you? Now wetin make me define you? But the way that I don't take decision wetin I go do. I wan sack the girl.
You wan sack her?
Yes.
As Oga Chode. Or as who? As the owner of the compound.
If Oga come on and I mean the chief pilot, the only thing we did that we say you go cooperate with me. I need your help. Yes.
How would they help you?
No, when the man attack come, you go know. I go sack the girl.
You mean that?
No worry.
Go fire her.
No worry. I say when I need your help, we do it. Yes.
They don't try me. Now why you define me? Any other thing? No. What you do? Now I confirm her. I beg Oga do this. Oga I beg. Oga Pascal, I beg. No sack us. Forgive us. We don't say we don't sin against you. We don't they obey you. I beg. No,
Pascal.
No beggar.
I beg, leave me, I beg. Leave her, I beg who him be God. Not be driver where him be. Pascal.
Yeah.
I never still believe say no Oga tell you say me sag our two. What you don't tell Oga about us like wetin we do, Pascal? Beggar wetin be
Hey, see, make I tell you.
I no get time for that your nonsense question. If you want to call Oga to confirm, you can call Oga to confirm. I no get your time for this useless question.
How I go call Oga when you do mathematics for me? I no be thief my phone. How I go tell call Oga? I go when I talk to am, leave am back beg and do.
I beg Oga Pascal. Oga Pascal no do this to me. See, basically they talk like this because she be woman. Me will be a man. We are one fine work. If she come here, so she go find work. Me now why they here so? Yeah, I won't see work.
I beg, no the beg and too much. I beg. He say make I call Oga. How I want to get Oga number? So you don't thief my phone. Don't you carry my phone go thief am. Will me I might talk to him. I might tell him to get me from mine. See, you know what's gonna happen now? Give me Oga number, my call and my answer whether I answer course or na.
You see why I know they agree answer you because you don't get conscience. No be now you call me thief. Make I give you Oga number. Make thief give you Oga number.
If you chop the number, chop the number. It's still here.
Make you beg am now. Make you human being. If you beg am, you go know as he go dey convince Oga. Oga Pascal abeg.
Please, can you people leave?
Including me. Oga Pascal no.
I beg, no dey beg am too much. See, Pascal, this job is not the end of my life. You dey hear me? When one door closes, another one go open for me. See the job, Pascal, chop am. Chop there, I don dey go. You know what I don dey do?
Yeah,
Oga Pascal abeg. Who will beg this man? Oga Pascal.
Come, make me.
No, I won't beg am.
Carry chop the.
See,
chop am.
See, make I tell you, work no dey. Now for women wey work, they get work. We wey be men work the hardest to get. Oga Pascal abeg. Oga Pascal abeg. Abeg o.
Hey, my boy, stand up.
Abeg o.
Stand up to it.
Oga Pascal abeg na. You dey crazy one. I go call you Oga Pascal.
You don't come from that big boy.
You big boy. As for school that day too. You get fit come back. You don't get pride. You no fit beg.
You know why I sack that girl?
You know why we sack that girl? Look, make you know.
Okay, you know why we sack that girl?
Why we sack am? Why we fire am?
I fire am because of
We fire am because of
my woman. Her birthday next month.
Okay. Wait. Wetin concern us? Concern the sacking.
Vera birthday na tomorrow because if you stay here, the thing go dey this thing na the road.
Wait oh. I know that against you say make you no celebrate Vera birthday. Make you do before that money wey we wan take do something.
Money wey I go share give you one, take two. No worry, no go do the today is your day, a special day in your life, and
original dancer. Why you not the smartest? Baby, one is loaded. Just wanna spend it on you.
Let us go and start right here and now. Big, that's
she want turn up the light. I got the power and I got the mic. So me turn up the stage and me turn up all night. Who be the bear when they wine like a maga? So bad man to ask them so who born their bad maga? So me tell us that your mother and your father be the maga. So me tell us that your mother and your father be the maga.
It's a Friday night. You don't kill this girl, me no feel alright. Me don't push, me don't take a mind. You don't kill this girl, me no feel alright. It's a Friday night. You don't kill this girl, me no feel alright.
She the boss of my mind. That the girl, she won't turn on the light, yeah. She won't turn on the light, yeah. On the load, shake that thing on the load. Are you driving crazy? The back I gone afraid. Yeah, come down the bum. This girl, really come down. Why you chop up. Chop up. Push, see my baby girl, she want push.
kind of plenty, yeah, we dey do. We just dey cool road, that is just the truth. Step on the hood, you go know. That is just the truth. Just like this, me not take a high. Me not kill this girl, me not feel alright. It's a Friday night. Me not kill this girl, me not feel right. Me not push, me not take a high.
When that thing me, they make me feel alright. Take this girl, she the boss of my mind. That the girl, she won't turn on the light, yeah. She won't turn on the light, yeah. On the low key, shake that thing on the low key. Now you they drive me crazy. The back I gone crazy. Check out the water bum bum. See this girl, she a lick it on down. Why I'm biting on the chop up, chop up. Ooh, me want push. See my baby girl, she want push. I like the move, cause you know why he ain't too good. See this girl, she be bad as yeah. She dance, she be bad as girl. Your dance step, baby, follow me, make we count the step,
Cool, it's a Friday night. Me not kill this girl, me not feel alright. Me not push, me not take a high. Me not kill this girl, me not feel alright. Cool, it's a Friday night. Me not kill this girl, me not feel alright. Me not push, me not take a high. Listen, that kind of plenty, yeah, we dey do. We just dey cool road, that is just the truth. Step on the hood, you go know. That is just the truth. Just like the Bajawa.
Victor!
Okay.
What took you so long to open the gate for me?
Okay, what did you tell? Did you tell me that you were coming back?
Are you stupid?
Am I aware?
Must I tell you that I'm coming back to my house?
You maybe you called Basca. Did you call me? Did you call me? You not call me.
You are talking back at me.
Sorry, sir.
Are you mad? Are you idiot? Look at you. Hey, bro. For this reason, I'll cut your salary. Idiot. Oh yeah. Come. Come on, take your money. Oh yeah. Hope you know your way back to the airport, right?
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
God bless you, sir.
Victor, carry this bag inside for me. Open the gate for me. You.
Come, guys. Come and carry this. Come here. Yes. I'm working for somebody I love.
Where is this ball? Pascal!
I don't even understand. Are you just coming back or?
How on this earth do I need to inform you that I am coming back to my own house? Are you mad? What is wrong with you? This question is beginning to annoy me. Must I inform you?
Oh, okay, no be say you must inform me. At least you tell me say you don't reach airport. Me, I for plan myself drive come.
You must be insane. Do you know how many times I've called your line today?
Aye.
When I was at the airport, I called you severally. You didn't pick the call. Only God knows what you were doing.
Okay, the issue of the call, my phone, they ring, boom. You know they ring out. So I was budgeting that when I receive salary from you, that I buy original phone that will be ringing out.
Let me warn you and let me inform you. You see the 7,000 naira I gave to the taxi man from the airport, I will deduct it from your salary.
Hey, okay, you have me watching
Are you mad? Are you talking to me like that?
Yeah, but this 7,000, don't joke with it. Okay, serious. I've not disobeyed you before.
So why
can you remove 7,000 naira from 20,000 naira? When you know that I have critical sisters at the hospital, one is having high BP, one is having low BP, and I don't even know if my mother. If my mother.
Shut up your mouth.
Middle BP.
Stinking woman being.
Okay, if you must remove 7,000, you remove 6,500 from Victor's salary because it's the one that's supposed to inform me that you are coming back.
Both of you are the same. Nonsense.
Okay, please. That 7,000. Let's
see. This house is very dirty. You people are supposed. What have you been doing in this house? You're supposed to clean this house.
What are we
doing? How everywhere is smelling.
We can't do anything in this house now. You travel and we leave this place. My duty is to drive. Even since you travel, I never use any gear. I never use any gear.
What type of driver is this? Take a look at yourself. See your clothes. You cannot even press your clothes. Nonsense, woman. Get out from my side immediately.
7,000.
Get out. I said, get out from this place. Get out from this place. Nonsense.
What's going on? I don't understand. What kind of a thing is this? Of all days, my birthday. You calm down.
Please, follow me now. We need to leave this compound now and I need to zip it off.
Baby, why are you putting on this kind of thing?
Okay, yes, I did not tell you people. This is how we dress. I'm about going to church. This is our church uniform.
Wait, what church dresses like this?
What church? I'm a member of St. Knight Philemon Block Rosary Catholic Church.
Please, where's Victor? Just call over me. Vic.
Shh. Let me see you.
Baby, please stop this.
Let me see you people off. Just follow me. I don't need to shout. Follow me.
Please don't do me like this. I refuse to believe what my mind is telling me right now. Like, I am so confused. I'm as confused as you are. Well, I don't want to jump into conclusion till I've seen Carly. Yes, so because they have to explain to us what that drama was all about. Of all the clothes, why did you choose a security clothes to forget the house? That one, I don't know, but they must explain. You're right, but I strongly believe that something is wrong. You take a chill pill now. Do not jump into conclusion like that. When we meet them, they will explain better. Girl. Are you interested? I want to prepare this. I don't want. I want something light. Do this is what heavy. I want, but don't put enough pepper. Yes, madam. I'll prepare it later, not now. Are you asking us if you want to go and start doing it now? Don't go in, Joe. You want too much, you want to.
On the load, shake that thing on the load. Are you there driving crazy? About that gun, I'm crazy. Check out that water bum bum. See this girl, she really the tonto. Why I'm biting on the shop up. Chop up. Ooh, me want push. See my baby girl, she want push, push. I like the food, cause you know why he ain't too good, good. See this girl, she be bad as yeah. The way she dance, she be bad as yeah, bad as yeah. Your dance step, baby, follow me, make we count this step, round this step. Cool, it's a Friday night, yeah. Don't give this girl, me no feel alright. Me no push, me no take a high. Me don't give this girl, me no feel alright. Cool, it's a Friday night, yeah. Don't give this girl, me no feel alright. Me no push, me no take a high. Listen, that kind of thing things here we do. We just a cool.
That's why they call me. Better pass this a why they do. No. You better pass this a why they do. You don't come where?
You know the information why I carry come. In fact, if you know the format, if you know Wetin I carry come here now, you go leave this way.
Talk am.
I can tell you. Okay, 40 million.
Na lie. You must lie. This one, you don't lie. You hear me so? I say na lie. See, Oga no fit keep that kind of money for this place because he never increase my salary.
Who they talk salary? And they talk nonsense. Which kind of salary? See, make I tell you, I overheard. In fact, I heard when Oga was saying that so amount of money will be in the house. I will be traveling. If I come back, I say, and only 2 of us will in this house.
That man must be heartless. If that man is keeping that kind of money in this house, then he must increase our salary.
Are you stupid? You know get sense.
Take it from there, bring money, join for our salary now.
I tell you so, I keep that kind of money, and this is the only opportunity you and I are supposed to use and make more money. Now, we'll carry the money wrong.
Okay. C'est un français non pas.
Zefaya.
Coucher la paix.
Where?
Sine pas non. Chine kele. Now you're talking. Okay. Now what guy say you want travel? I want tell and say Let me be cleaning his room for him. Then from there, you carry the money and run away.
Why you no get sense? Wetin make you think say Oga go give you?
No, he go give us.
Oga go give you the key.
He go give me the key.
Say you be waiting. Assistant landlord.
You know this trust me.
Assistant landlady. Leave that thing. Don't need to wait there. We say let's find a way to get the key. So if you forgot
that is the only way. I know how to get that key.
Well, anyhow, for the fact say you know how to get the
key.
For the fact say you talk say you know how to get the key.
Key.
Bring that.
Don't worry. I'll go and get that key. Don't worry. The next time I'll call you. Do you know what I will do? I will say, Kale, oh, see the key. Then we're rich.
I don't tell you anything.
I never see you today. You don't see me.
No, I can't swim.
Yeah, they walk.
Go and drive fish.
Go and drive. Let me catch fish. I'm a fisherman.
I won't walk my gear. My gear, if I put gear 1, they go reverse.
Ayo.
I won't go buy new gear 1.
Me, if I clean this thing, what the tea they enter, I want to start afresh.
Why are you sweating? Why are you running like this? Come here. Are you mad? Don't worry. How? I don't understand. What's the problem?
Don't worry, sir. Don't worry.
Speak your mind. Are you mad?
What can about these people?
Which people?
Enyimba and Jesse of Aba. I mean, as a winger of Canopilas. They say they want to know Canopilas and the Enyimba. Wetin their match yesterday.
Are you okay at all?
Oh, people they drag me. I no agree. They say Jesse sign Samabaraji. Samabaraji say they sign him. I no agree. Man, then they drag him. I say make I come ask you.
You must be very, very stupid. Is the person you just mentioned now still alive?
I no agree.
Were you born when he died?
I no agree.
Me, I no agree for what? What are you talking about? Come on, get that from my side.
Okay, I no agree.
Fool. Because of what you just did, I will deduct it from your salary. Nonsense boy. I can make a salary this month. They are with salary.
Me like goat with the one carry go give her for shrine.
Yes, it would have been better that you collect something from shrine, make that shrine or Google shrine kill you. What's the meaning of that thing you just displayed before?
Nah. Because of this thing what happened now they drag me like this. If that key, I go get her. Oga say in evening time. In fact, in evening time I go get that key.
You don't say you don't get sense. You be useless coward. You don't get conscience, you don't get sense.
Me, you be coward.
No, you ask me.
No, me you even try.
No, your mind don't tell you.
No, me you try go collect the key. Now who am I? You be coward. You fit go there. You fit try Oga. You fit talk before am.
Alright, there's no problem. I've heard you, but I have information for you. If my hand do mistake, touch that key, 1 naira you no go get. If I touch that key, 1 naira father you no go get.
Okay, make I see me and you go first get the key.
Okay, no problem.
Bamba. No. Let's see who get the key first. No problem. Problem go Sunday. Now why you gonna drag me like still this one pikin?
Okay. Yeah, you called me.
Pascal,
Okay.
I am still wondering why Macy left this house without waiting for me to return from my trip.
Okay, Mercy, she left this place. In fact, it's not something that we'll be talking about now. If we need cook, I can get another one this evening or tomorrow.
See, what happened? Why did she leave this place?
Okay, Mercy left because she knows very well that I will report her case to you. So she don't want to stand the shame to watch you.
What case is that?
My girl is a snake, mighty snake in green grass. In fact, okay, to tell you now, it's as I've been trying to hide it. I've been advising the girl she don't want. This girl, each time we travel, she will bring in men inside this compound.
Mercy? What?
Yes. The Mercy, you know.
Mercy, why?
She has been doing this thing for over 2 years.
I had a very good plan for Mercy.
Me too, I have good plan for her.
Are you stupid? I get out of this place. I am talking senses, you are talking nonsense.
Should I go?
Go.
Just like him. All my efforts to not speak, all to no avail. I've tried calling, he did not reply. Messaging, he did not still reply. Let me even try texting him again. Oh gosh, my toiletries are finished. I need money to sort my GS222. How good can he do this to me? And he made me mix that exam with the promise of giving me money to sort it. Now he's avoiding me like a leper. Why are you crying now? Stop crying, Joe. Your cheeks. Other guys will come. I don't want other guys. I love Kali. Let's change the topic. You love Kali come. I mean, you love his money. I'll see you. Hey Mom, his money. As long as there is love there, that is what matters. All I know is that I must do anything within my reach to get Kali.
It's alright. This one, let me tell you. See, because of the way hunger strikes people these days, because of the way people cry for food, anytime I'm going for shopping, I want to go to shopping and buy everything I want to use in the next 6 months. So that I'll keep eating food, until
You like food?
until 6 months. So that I will not have any reason to complain for hunger. And I will not go and say I am dying of hunger because I have bought enough food. You understand? So these ones that I bought are not enough. Let me buy more so that by the time I offload in my kitchen, I will have enough food to eat.
It's good.
From now till thy kingdom come. So see, I used to have temperature. You understand? My temperature used to go high sometimes. What I used to cool it is kunu. But I don't think you have kunu.
I don't have.
Give me account 7.
7?
Yes, 7 account.
You should say this here reach 7, but
Check
now.
1. Abo. Kato. Nano. Ise.
Oh.
Ishi. Fantastic.
What's it again?
Drinking akamu without milk is somehow. You understand? So give me milk. 7. I like everything 7. Because it is even written in the Bible that on the 7th day, God rested. From Monday to 7. True. Everything is 7. So give me 7.
Which one do you want?
If I mix it for me, give me this one and this one. No, this one, I like this one.
This one?
And give it to me. Give it to me, give it to me.
Igune, you like food though?
Of course, that's why I'm this tall.
Hey, you're gonna help me now. This is so tall.
I should help you. I will reduce money.
You say now,
I will reduce money. Ego help.
Igune now.
You will remove ego help. Go on, look on. How many is it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Each account 1. Each account 1.
I can and make without sugar. It's a problem.
Yeah.
Where is sugar?
Oh.
Give me sugar.
Where my sugar is?
Look at the sugar. You don't even know where your sugar is. If I give me the whole sugar, put it inside. Put it in it's alright. When you finish drinking akamu, the next thing is your tummy will be doing.
Why?
That is to say that you need to visit the toilet. Give me tissue.
How many?
7.
You
know
you're my legal customer.
I am legal customer. Is that right?
Okay, I go come and give you
Monday
this
to
one.
Sunday is 7. Everything is 7.
I go come and give you this one.
Buyeme.
Oh yeah, Papa.
Tea.
Oh yeah, Papa.
You know when after going to toilet you need to bath? Give me soap. 7 soap.
7 soap.
7 soap.
Which type?
Give me soap. Anyone that will freshen my body, that will make it look very fresh. Ignes is a handsome man, no?
I know what thing go good for you.
See?
See this one.
Teacher.
Good for you. Make sure they go another place.
Are they crazy?
Which other thing?
No, do you have clothes in the aqua? Because you're such a heavy aqua. You don't have clothes. You don't have clothes. I want to boutique and buy clothes. Thank you very much. Do you know what is going to happen?
What?
I want you to. How much is everything, in fact?
Okay.
Don't make mistake, oh. Calculate very well.
Wait now. 5,008.
5,800 naira. 5,800 naira. 5,800 naira. 5,800 naira. 5,800. Okay, do you know what is going to happen? I want you to, put it in our usual record. I will pay later. Before long, I will come and pay. That one is not a problem. Visit your credit book. Add the 5,200 naira. Yeah, I will pay when I,
Okay, make I add them for the other one.
Yes, add it there. I will pay when this thing happens. You understand? Look, let me tell you, I have money. It's not like I don't have money. I have enough money. So just put it there. By weekend, I'll come and pay.
Ignatius, you on credit again? Sister, what's all this?
Don't worry.
No, sister, stop this. Don't you know that your name is almost getting full in our credit?
It's okay. Igne, don't worry, go. He will pay, don't worry.
Make sure he pay.
He has promised.
My name is almost
getting full.
Igne, go now. Go, don't worry.
She said my name is getting full.
Don't worry, Igne. I will handle it. Sister, don't worry. Igne is my person. Don't you know him?
This shop is.
Don't worry. He has promised to pay after the meeting on Sunday. Don't worry. Just go inside and continue.
He told me that the last one he bought, the one he will pay. I know Igne very well. After that Sunday meeting, he will come back and pay.
Don't worry, continue what you're doing. It's well. This papa is finished. You go and get another one. Because someone is coming to get everything on credit. Why won't you?
I tell you now, say, make you know they come. If my father see you now, wetin I go talk?
Victor, I have been calling you. You've not been taking my calls. I've been messaging you. You've not replied. And you don't call me like you used to. Besides, Why are you in this uniform?
This uniform? I know you asked me this thing. That is the reason why I say you guys should wait. Before your arrival, I was doing fumigation. I was fumigating and chasing mosquitoes. My parents came back from the state. You see, and my mother, this is a Christian home. They wouldn't want to see you girls because we've not married you girls. They wouldn't want to see unmarried girls around us. Yes! This is the system here. My mother is a Christian mother. My father is a Christian father. And we are Christian sons. So allow us to do this thing. When we are through, we bring you girls back. So that we dine and eat together like before.
Vic, could you please call Kali for me?
Kali just left this compound a few minutes before your arrival with his car to get pepper soup from the shop, right? Exactly. Don't worry. When he comes back, I will tell him you people checked for him. Yes, in particular.
From shop.
Right. Exactly.
Anyway, I missed you.
Hey! Sorry. Hey, I miss you too. Make una dey go. Bye. Bye, yo. Exactly.
Oh.
Bye, yo. I will tell. They come without notifying us. Why they go do us this kind of thing?
Oh.
I want to ask you something. Those guys, did they see you with uniform?
They saw me.
Oh,
Saw me. Plain and clear.
okay, now, Novus, did you inform them? Or did you, if by any chance, tell them not to come back? Did you tell them?
Oh,
What?
I don't tell them.
Why you don't tell them?
I forget.
You forget. Tell me you don't think anything of your life before.
I forget.
You forget. That might not be issue now because me I dey inside. I don't say every time when they come, you do still need for it. You forget. And you they go catch. Yes. Now you they go catch. They tell me you forget.
When they catch me, wetin go happen? How is kwata? Oga go see me and them. Then if you talk nonsense, I go channel and carry the whole matter. Put for your head. Then make I see where you go there. Come talk for yourself. Shebi, you don't mellow down now. This is now you get sense. I will show you sense for this place. If I come out, you make I think something very well. You go where you going? Why you go try to push it here? Can't know nothing that won't forget. She has.
Please, I am truly sorry that I have not paid before now or by now. Look, there is no man on earth that will say, go and boil water for me because I broke the phone for you. And what do I say? Mama said, yeah, she gave me nobody does that. That I have not paid you this money till now or by now is because of circumstance. Please, I beg you understand.
Igne, what circumstance are you talking about? What are you talking about here? Igne, you know you be owing me this money.
I know.
What is your problem? What is this problem?
My problem is the money.
Igne, this is not what we talked about before. You said after the meeting, you will come back here and bring my money. Where is the money?
Yes, I said after the meeting that I will come and that was 7 days. There are 7 days that passed. You know, now inside that 7 days that passed, they actually gave me the money. So when they gave me the money now, for me to say, I said, okay, hence it is 7 days. Let me come and pay you. On getting to where I kept the money, I did not see the money again. No. I don't even know the spirit that collected the money. I think it's the Victor collected the money and went out. Now that one aside, let us not go back to what has happened. Let us talk about now and the future. what I am promising you now, if you will understand with me, what I'm saying is that just give me another 7 days. Another 7 days, because I have, in fact, let me tell you, I have 2 options to pay this one. One, in 7 days, these people have agreed to the place I used to do the meeting. You know, the last 7 days they gave it to the other person. These 7 days now that is coming is my own turn from the meeting. So immediately I get that money from that meeting, I will come and pay you. If that one did not work, I have.
I'm tired.
Yes, I know you're tired.
I'm tired of all these things.
I know you're tired of all these things, but relax. Victor, my brother, will soon come back to this village. But once Victor comes back, I am going to collect money from Victor and pay you. Let me tell you, from today, in fact, from that 7 days, if I did not pay you your money after 7 days, anywhere you see me, do anything you want to do. Please.
You know that you're very, very hard for someone to see. You see today, I don't want you to move out from this thing. I'm giving me that money.
I used to be. Don't say I'm hard. Am I spirit?
You know.
I was hard for you to see me because things were not balanced. I didn't have your money. Now that I know that I'm going to pay you your money in 7 days, I will no longer be hard to see. So relax yourself, Obiko. I will give you this money. That one is not.
Come back here. Come. Let me tell you something. Stand here and be watching me. Listen to me. All this your conversation is not my business. What I have to tell you now is that if you don't bring that money in 5 days' time, if you don't bring it back here, if you don't bring my money, don't worry, I know what to do. I know how to get my money. If you come here again or collecting things like that again, just leave my shop. Idiot. Let me see you this place again. And in 5 days, if you don't bring that money, you see what I'll do. Idiot. Let me know if this shop I'm collecting things free like that. Nonsense.
And this one too. I don't know if they will buy it.
Mama! Mama! Mama!
Ignatius, what is the problem? Why would you be calling my name?
Mama,
like
don't tell me how I should call your name. How do you want me to call your name when I'm not happy? Let me tell you, do you know the embarrassment I got today just because of Victor? Just because of Victor. Yeah?
Ignatius, okay, calm down. Wait, Ruby, calm down, talk to me.
Mama, don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down and tell you what the problem is. Because of what you did now, the way it is with me, nobody should tell me to calm down. Mama, how am I even sure that I don't have a hand in this thing? How am I even sure that I don't have a hand in it?
Hand in Giddy, you've not explained anything. You've just been shouting.
You're asking me hand in what? You don't know the hand. Mba, hand on the door. Hand on the door. You don't know the hand. Mama, let me tell you. You see, a few minutes ago, if you see the embarrassment, the insult I got from Peace, just because I am owing Peace small money. Meanwhile, Victor ran away with my 100,000 naira. Victor ran away with it. And Peace embarrassed me because of this. The pincho. That's the reason she embarrassed me when I have a lot of money. Yeah? Mama, let me tell you. I don't need a suicide to tell me that you have a hand in it. Let me tell you, Mama. Wherever Victor ran with my money, tell Victor to return my money to me. Tell him to bring back my money. Else, this place will not contain me and you. Else, this place, there will be war in this place. All those just war and all the whole Biafra war, all those things that happened that time, they will continue happening in this house. They will happen here. You don't have peace. So.
Brother, stop accusing Mama. How are we sure that Victor even ran away with your money?
Shut up. Shut up. Obanji. Shut up. What is your business in this talk now? Did I call your name? When I came into this place, I called Mama. So you have suddenly become Mama. You're no longer you again. Respect yourself. Anytime I am talking, don't put your mouth. Because each time you talk, each time I hear your voice, my intestine wobbles each time you talk. You're not even ashamed of yourself. I don't even know what you're doing here. If you have sense, common sense should tell you that all your mates are married. Some of them are grandmothers in their various houses, and you're here doing nonsense. I don't want to hear pim from you again. And as for you, Mama, I don't need a suicide to tell me that you have a hand in this thing. I don't need a suicide to tell me that you collected part of this money and allowed this idiot, this hoodlum, this anene to run away with 100,000 naira. Mama, let me tell you, wherever Victor is, I know you know there. Tell Victor to bring back my money. If Victor do not return my, if he doesn't bring my, If you refuse to bring my money, Mama, what I will do, you will not like it. Inania?
Calm down. Don't mind him. He can only rant, so allow him to rant.
I can only rant. I can only rant. Mama should not mind me. I can only rant. Let me tell you, Mama. Food for thought. I don't have a sister. Mama, I do not have a sister. It is only me and my spiritual sister. And for you, is it that Obonje kingdom, that marine kingdom where you came from? Look at your complexion. Look at me. Look at Mama. I know how Papa was before Papa died. Look at you. I don't even know where you came from. But in fact, not even I know where you came from. That Mariko, that marine kingdom where you came from. One day I will come to River Niger. Warrior fuel. I will come to River Niger and pour fuel there and burn all of you into ashes and you burn. Mama, wherever, in fact, however you want to do it, go and get pregnant. Go and market yourself and get pregnant even for a 90 years old man. But that is handsome. Why? Get a sister for me. I don't have a sister here. Inania, Mama, I have warned you. Call Victor wherever he is to return my money. 100,000 naira. Let him return my money. I don't want to send this warning again to you, Mama. Let him return my money. Inania. You too. Come, why didn't you sweep this house? Why did you sweep this house? Man, let this girl leave you. Are you sure you're reasoning well?
How can I reason well when I have somebody like you? Joy, how can I reason well when I have somebody like this as your senior brother? Ignatius can you know baby? Has he married at his age? What cannot hear? Lady mommy, thank you. Morning, afternoon, night. And he's talking about somebody that's going to go and get married.
You said? I'm not married. Mama, was that what you said? Let me ask you, and Abaka Sapa Mike. Do they marry with Ejakwo Ogre alone? Do they marry with water leaf? Is it not money? Where are you and Papa? When your mates we are making money, husbands we are making money. Did you make money? Look at the place we are living. Look at this. This place is even worse than chicken ban. This place is worse than chicken ban. You want me to marry? If I marry now, Mama, me and you and this idiot here shares one bed. If I marry now, he got to room in a bed. Man and woman on a bed. Are you going to come down from the bed for me and my wife to stay? Because I want the most so. It's okay. No, it's not okay.
Go and bring chair. Let us come and talk to each other. Go and bring chair. Your father built this house younger than your own age. You can never munagana so bed.
Babe, why are you doubting? I'm sure it's Kali and son.
What is it? Why do you want to spoil my mood this good afternoon? Did you see that person very well? My Kali.
I'm very sure. Did you not see him? I saw him, it was Kali. Even the uniform he's putting on. You don't see the clothes when he wear. I saw the uniform and even the guy he was driving too.
This is just the part of it that is pissing me off. What kind of a thing is this now? Why would that person be my Kali?
I saw him, don't I know him? Is it not the same Kali? I know him now.
I beg, I don't want to make me and you get issue. I beg, man, go talk to Sandra first that they come. Excuse me, Victor.
No best. I feel I don't know what I'm saying. I'm very sure it's Kali I saw. With the uniform.
You calm down now. Why you worry yourself too much? Is Vic not my boyfriend?
For once, you mind your business. What is it, Seth? Is it your worry? See, I'm only worried because Kali and I had future plans before this whole thing started happening.
So Vic and I, we do not have future plans. Madam, future plans. You will just be here worrying yourself. Whereas Vic and Kali, they are somewhere enjoying with other girls. See you.
Vera, why are you talking like that? Why? Why can't you be reasonable for once? The rent of this place will expire next month. And Kali promised to renew the rent for us before this whole thing started happening. What do we do now? Okay, now I understand where you're coming from, but you still have to calm down. They are not the end of our lives. They are our God. Listen, we have to go to that house and look for them. Heaven will not let loose if the parents should see us. After all, we are human. We're not ghosts. We have to go to that house. No, thank you. Come on, it's I'm not in the mood. No problem. You like food. Oh.
Brother Zakraya!
This way. Move it.
Let me close my gate.
Move it. Move.
Chileke me. Pedra. Send it baby.
Hey, you come here.
What do we do?
Hey, shut up. We are not here for child's play. Now go in there, call your parents out, and announce us to them as your girlfriends. Else, I put this trigger in your dumb skull.
We know that parents. Don't get our parents.
I say shut up! Call your parents.
We don't have their parents. We lie. We can.
Who are they?
They are robbers. They are Sandra and Sandra and Vivi.
What are you doing here? Gone.
My friend, will you shut up and enter your house?
What do you mean by go inside? In my own house? You're talking to me like that? Are you insane?
Benny, go inside!
That's where we go. Hey, my house.
Shut up! Shut up! I'll be back. The next time you come back.
Yes, I just get talking. I just monitor those guys. I don't want to fight them.
You know what I want to? I won't collect that gun.
The other girl I want slap.
I wait make they gun come closer. But the thing, in Canada come fear. Why no Canada come shoot me?
Yeah, I just wait till she just shoot me. I just confirm say she shoot me.
No. I won't just carry a gun. I say na one bullet enter. Bah, he enter.
That girl forget problem. We say I see blood.
Na kill I go kill him. Oh come on, I go.
Zusa.
Get away.
I wonder how those little brats get into this compound. When I have a security man that I'm paying salary every month.
Oga no verse. Na mistake.
I shouldn't be angry, right?
It no go happen again. Na mistake.
What a mistake? You mean this mistake that would have cost me my life? Eh? Are you stupid?
No, sir.
For that reason, I am going to deduct your salary this month.
Hey, Oga Biko. If you punish me, leave my salary.
For you.
You can punish me and leave my salary.
Wait for me.
I don't get the problem. Am I the security? Am I not the driver? Did you lose gear?
You are the same thing. You are the same thing. I don't know how I picked you guys up.
You picked me from my house.
I picked you from your house.
Yes.
You will go back to your house.
I know the address.
Bet me. Nonsense.
We don't just throw out from our own two salaries. So that it not be much on my own aspects. No problem.
Which kind of salary?
Which kind of sense can be this? No be for totally go come money. They crazy.
Oga try and
you go do am.
That's more than that. What kind of issue somewhere?
You go in here and you will check over here. You will get back at them. We must get around and the people will go. Just go over there.
Victor. Shoot. No, robbers don't come. Go shoot them now. You want to do Wetin? Tomorrow you go say you be security.
How can you be on your duty post and you are busy sleeping? Even sleeping woefully as if you don't even have ambition of safeguarding the place that you are covering from?
Follow me, thank God.
Follow you, thank God. That what happened?
Follow me, thank God.
What happened?
Say a dream.
Which dream?
Sandra and Vera.
Sandra and Vera, what happened?
They attack us.
Attack who?
Gone.
Gone. Where?
Be gone.
Where? Here.
Hey!
Victor.
You need to see how these girls. These girls carry me and you. They lie us down. They carry gun and want shoot us. See me now. See your Ogachudi. Now you the one attack him. But you now run.
Victor, if I happen to be the ogre of this house, today you face your sack.
How?
Yes.
How?
Ogachudi. Well, as for the dream, go to the nearby chemist and obtain drugs for typhoid and malaria. Tell them to give you GV, mix with Detol and Aduru liver.
You know what God do for me?
What God did?
No, say he's supposed to follow me, thank God.
How go follow you, thank God?
No, say something will happen for real life. Now God come from being show me am, come reveal am, so that I go dey careful. Now you no fit follow me, thank God.
Listen, that's not why I'm here. The reason, in fact, why I'm in this your office, this your useless security office, now is that Oga asked me to inform you that you should keep everything ready. You won't wash the car, but you have to wash the car while I go in to cook. Do you understand?
Wait, why I won't wash the car?
Huh?
Why I go wash the car? No. Now you dey say make you wash car. How you go dey send me am make I go wash am for you?
I will be cooking inside now. I want to go to the kitchen and cook.
I know dey wash am. Use your hand go wash am.
See, you have to be washing this thing. While washing, you use your eye and mouth at the gate.
I won't make you wash the car for your wash am. Use your hand wash am.
That's it. Never the hungry, Abi. No. You never the hungry. See, it is as I dey like this. Hungry, they catch me. Next 2 weeks, I never. In fact, my stomach still as today. I won't cook for the betterment of you and the Oga. If not,
if I cook, if I say come here go dey cook, who will they forget?
Now why I say make you wash car, make your eye dey close to the gate.
My friend, you have to cook and wash the car.
I'll cook and wash the car.
Yes.
While you sit and watch me washing.
And watch the gate. Now watch the gate. Wait, the time when you want pursue Messi, what did I tell you? The time when you say you want sack Messi, I agree. Now me you follow sack am.
Abeg Victor, no talk rubbish. No, even go there. No even go there. Like say no even try. You know the plan.
I can look you. This is your hand. I don't use it in break am. The time when I break the hand, make I know what you for do. Thank God say you no bring the hand come front. Because when I want this man, I want to show you wetin I be. Say I be trained security officer.
Calm down. No slap.
You just say I just do this work.
Calm down.
You know say they train me.
Calm down. I dey beg my hand, make no slap you.
No. I dey try beg myself. Say make I no use this battle. You go know say after police people, now we dey in charge.
Enter pocket.
You say na me na any has it.
Enter pocket.
Come on for this place.
You are lucky. Enter pocket.
I come out.
You are lucky.
Come out for this place.
Come
Come out my
pocket. You
come out for this place, I beg.
You can try listen with Oga. May change this canoe. May change this Noah ark. So that you will get new shoe. You know
this shoe senior you. This shoe is senior you.
I know now, and the shoe go there like you die.
This shoe senior you. If you see something your senior, you respect them. This shoe don't exist before you begin enter this world. So you know if you respect them.
If you give me tissue, I won't go toilet.
I beg you go do what you supposed to do.
Now I gotta do that paper.
How? Go check the car. Go check the car.
Security, go check the security.
Tell them they watch my gates.
Come on, since.
Wait, there you! What going you where? Where? No. Where should I welcome you in?
Come on a more serious note, is this now your everyday dress?
No, this is not the issue at hand. The issue at hand is that you girls must go back My father came back. I have said this before. I don't want him to set his eyes on you people. This is a Christian home. Don't you know?
Vic, this is an old story. Listen, this madness will have to stop. Else, your father will come out here and see us here. Exactly. Better let us...
Wait. I don't like this thing. People are not understanding what is going on. My father wouldn't want to see you people. This is a Christian home.
Victor, so you're not proud of us. Victor. You must...
Victor!
My father is calling. Mpa. Sir?
Victor, who is that?
Oh! These are passerbys. They said they are looking for a job to be cooking and be sweeping the compound. I told them there is no job.
Victor, let them in.
Let them go, sir.
Let them what?
Let them in. Sir, let them go. Let them go. I know my job.
Good afternoon, beautiful ladies. How are you? Victor told me that you guys were looking for a job.
No, sir. We missed our way.
Yes, we're going to our friend's house, so we can there just once.
Like, seriously? Why not call him on phone for a proper direction?
Actually, it's not a him. It's a she, our classmate.
You guys are students?
Yes.
Why not call her for a proper direction?
Her phone is switched off. But don't worry, we'll be fine, right?
Are you sure you're fine?
Yes.
Why have you not been talking? Why are you silent? Anyway, my name is Shudi Dubai. Yeah, as you can see, this is my apartment. So, what's your name?
I'm Vera, and my friend is Sandra.
Wow, you guys are looking so astonishing.
Thank you.
Sandra, can I have your contact? Sandra, can I have your contact? So that we'll tap on phone.
Okay.
I'll call you on phone.
Oh, we'll take our leave. Yeah.
You mean you're going? Yes. Why not wait for my driver to finish washing the car so that he can drop you guys off?
No.
Wait.
Victor, open the gate for them.
Since I was born into this world, since my mother brought me into this world, despite I don't know who my father is, but since I came to this world, I have not been humiliated, I have not been embarrassed, I have not been insulted the way I saw it today.
Like say they see me one-on-one insult me, I for insult them back. But this indirect insult, then they pin me back.
How?
You know what it may be? You know if I carry my head, hit and forget. Where's that Vera? Vera. I just said the girl don't come out too. I said make I peep. I had to get turn eye. Like, he wants to see me eyeball to eyeball.
No, but you do know in this case now, it's your own business. So I will put the whole blame on you. Why is it a security bona fide? Somebody every time if I'm talking to you, you'll be telling me that you have certificates in security and all that. How can you open gates without peeping, without trying to know who is at the gate? You're even lucky saying that yes. What of saying I'm robbers?
They did.
Because if they peep,
don't do.
The deed you don't do.
The deed don't do. The deed
has not the English. The deed has been did.
And they done.
The done has been did.
Is a deed.
Yes.
So now what do we do? That's the question. Big question. What do we do? Because if you see, imagine Sandra giving her number to Oga. We don't lose.
When I think finish, I'll come back to you and try. Trust me, I do the things where we say, I'm not supposed to talk about this one. The reason why they say, at the work, you now will not get conscious.
This is don't teach me lesson.
As you know, get sense, if you want to do something, come and borrow my sense.
I don't learn lesson.
You won't finish, you bring them back.
I don't learn my lesson. From today, anybody where they enter this gate, I go peep. Anybody where they enter, I go peep. I don't start work now. From now, work starts. You go see him.
See, I had the thing no work. I got that from motor. Let's see what accident in the back. I can jump out.
Are you going now?
What's up to the No, I am inside the room. I'm not going out. Nonsense question. Sometimes you ask questions like you don't have sense. You see somebody facing this way. Instead of you to tell me to go out and come back in time, you ask me, am I going out? No, I am inside you. I'm not going out.
Please go now.
I'm under your skirt.
Go. What is it? What did I do to you?
I have told you time with that number. You see that your shrine, that your river. I will come to that place. That place, your marine kingdom. That place you people are in River Niger. I will come to that place and where grazing, where you all of you will burn to ashes. I will soon light that River Niger where you belong.
Why is it that you don't treat me like your sister? Why are you always shouting at me?
You, my sister. Did I ever tell you I have a sister? Okay, sorry. If I have ever called you my sister, please forgive me. I made a mistake. As I speak to you, I don't have a sister. I don't have a sister. I am an orphan. I am a Olu. No. I am the only child of my mother.
Joy.
I'm the only child of my mother.
Did you remove money from my
I did not, so you better ask.
Ignatius!
Okay. Come. No, Mama, the thing is that whatever thing is the reason you are calling me, just relax. I am going for an important meeting. In fact, the meeting I am almost running late. Let me go and come back and then we can talk about it.
Ignatius, please, this one is very important.
Ignatius, Mama. Come back. Mama, no, it's just that whatever thing it is, let me.
Ignatius!
Mama.
Give me the money you took from me.
Eh?
That money, you removed my pillow and removed. Give it to me now.
Ignatius, you have suffered. Mama, you embarrass me this early morning. When my mates are all in the office, signing and endorsing, you call me a thief. You decided to embarrass me. Of course, Mama, it is not your fault to embarrass me. If not that, Victor made away with my money. 100,000 naira mo ego meeting aka abom. By now, I would have become a big boy. By now, I would have owned a company. In fact, Mama, a factory. Where I will be mass dubbing and mass producing. Victor took away my money, and that is the reason you have the effrontery to embarrass me. Mama, please don't tell me this. I don't like this.
Ignatius, give me that money now, or Amadioha will see you and I today.
Yes.
My money.
Magam.
Amadioha.
Bring it.
Shut up your mouth. You don't have sense. What is your problem? What's your business in this talk now? Mama, let me tell you, me and you will have to. We need to join forces to send this girl away. Let her go and marry. Her mates are all married. We need to jump forces and send her away to go and marry you. Mama is talking. I'm talking with mother and son. I'm talking. And you're putting your mouth. Adopted child. Mama, you said you're even going to take me to shrine to go and swear. Mama, you don't even need to take me to shrine to go and swear. We have shrine here. This girl here is enough shrine. We don't even need shrine.
Ignatius, I told you I don't have time for your stories. You don't want to give me the money, okay?
Mama, you over these small pranks that I played on you. You are involving Mariko and Shrine in it. Mama, Mama, I remember that time, Papa, when Papa was alive. Papa used to hold you like this and do it. Mama, see, I'm representing Papa now. I am Papa, you.
Hey! Wonder shall never end.
As for you, let me tell you. Shut up your mouth. Let me tell you, you don't have shame. Go and marry. All your mates are married. Before you know it, you enter menopause. Don't go and marry. Oh, Mariko, I have warned you time with that number. I don't have a sister. On your Jesus.
As in, you yourself, you come out.
We don't problem. We don't play.
You're still stealing mama's money.
Do you know how many years I am? I am just small boy.
You're close to 50 years. If
that's even small.
Because, close to 50 years.
Of course, because I am going to last 175 years. I have only consumed only 50. You see that I have enough. I say I'm a small boy. I am going to last 175 years and I've only used only 50. 50 is not to tell you. But let me tell you, you don't have the age. In the next 278 years, that's how you be. Because why? You are more. I don't want. That's what you are. Go and marry. Look at children in your tummy. I am sure they are all crying. They are all crying. Mama, where is Papa? Mama, where is Papa? Mama, where is Papa? Let Papa come on fire. Go and marry. Remove these children. Let them come and live a life. Go.
I don't even know the planet you're coming from.
Let me tell you. Let me. If you doubt me, be observant. If I use microscopic organism, anytime you urinate, look it very well. You see,
please go. Always something wrong. Look at you, elder brother.
This ghost began to chase me. I did nothing to the ghost. The ghost just
Hold him for me. Today, you must pay my money today.
No, you think I was running for? No, I wasn't running. It's just that I developed constipation, so I decided to jump.
Constipation, Abi? You must pay that money. I don't care.
No. I'm not. Is it because of that small change? No, it's chicken change.
Okay, chicken change. You call it chicken change, right?
No, it's not like I was running because of the money. I was running because I developed constipation. So I decided to exercise.
Pay me my money today.
No,
today is the end of the road.
No, yes, it goes. No, it's not that now money. I developed constipation, so I decided to run. I wasn't running for you. Why would I run for you?
Because you were owing me, that's why you're running away.
No, I'm not running. Is it because of that chicken change? I have it here. I have your money here.
Pay the money.
I will pay you.
Like now, bring it now.
Of course, I will just release me. Imagine.
Release
me, I will pay your money. That one is not a problem. Tell her to release me.
Money.
I will pay the money immediately.
Bring it.
Immediately. I have the money here. Release me. My brother, you know, sometimes like this, when you... What I know is that... Relax. Do you know that big money don't put people in trouble? It's the small money that puts somebody in trouble. If you are owing somebody 20 million naira, that money will not put you in trouble. The only money that can put you in trouble is 2,000 naira.
Pay my money.
20 million naira debt.
Pay my money now. Stop all these things.
20 million naira debt does not put somebody in prison. It is 1,500 naira money that puts you in prison. That is the chicken change. I'll pay you. Do you know that it's just that, you know, one people like us, when we put it...
When your turn, we end. You say, had I know it will be late, very late. Oh.
Hey, come here. Come here. We can open the gates. We are going out.
Give me the key.
Huh?
I said you should give me the key.
Okay, this one you are requesting, or you are trying to take the key away from me. I hope
Are you mad? Why those questions?
Let me be sure that I'm not losing my job. It's not my car, it's your car. Who am
Give
I
me the
to
keys.
question you?
I want to drive myself. Go up there and make sure you tidy up everywhere before I come back. Besides, I might not be coming back tonight.
What of the guests?
Get out from my side.
Are you people coming back?
Take care of yourself. Oh, yeah. Baby, where's your name? Oh my God. Hey, why are you following me up and down?
No, I just want to be sure that the guests entered well.
Take care of my baby.
For what?
I've not asked you to open the gate. Why are you struggling with the gate? Be careful.